Gray, and today I'm going to share with you how to use Pebeo Setacolor fabric ink to print with stencils. So let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need sponges, Pebeo Setacolor ink, pencil or Sharpie, X-Acto knife or scissors, cutting mat, cardstock or transparency, something to print on, masking tape, optional hair dryer, and not pictured here is an iron. Using your pencil, draw a simple shape. I've chosen a circle. Once you're happy with your shape, take your X-Acto knife and cut it out. Now you've created a stencil. Grab your cutting mat and place it inside of the t-shirt. Once this is done, take your stencil and place it where you want it. Get some masking tape and tape it in place. 2 pieces will do, but for this first one, I decided to tape all sides for some reason. Next, select your Pebeo Setacolor and give it a quick shake before opening. You will see a little ink in the lid. I like to use that first. Take your sponge and dab it into the ink. A little goes a long way. Now is the fun part. Starting at the edge of the stencil, dab straight up and down and continue to add ink as needed until the full printing area is saturated with ink. If you're worried about getting inky hands, I recommend wearing gloves for this part. Reveal your print and repeat as many times as desired. As you can see, a little ink goes a long way. Once you're done printing, remove the cutting mat from inside your shirt. Now you can see the importance of the cutting mat inside the shirt. Without it, that ink would saturate into the other side of the t-shirt, and we don't want that. Clean the mat with soap and water. In order to speed things up, I am blow drying my ink, so I can print a second layer in this video, but you can leave your shirt to air dry and heat set later. Now that my first layer is dry, I'm making a second stencil out of a transparency. You can use cardstock if that's what you have. I just have this, so I'm using it. I'm using the first stencil as a template to create a smiley face, and then I will use my X-Acto knife to cut it out. If you're printing a second layer, don't forget to put your cutting mat back inside your t-shirt. I then repeat the printing process. With black opaque Setacolor ink, I use a clean sponge to print the second layer. I've chosen not to tape the stencil for the second one, but instead just hold it down with one hand. Now if you want to tape it, that's totally fine. I just didn't feel like it. Remember to dab straight up and down and not on an angle. Pressing on an angle can result in leaking under the stencil, creating a smudgy edge line, and we want a crisp, clean line. Now I'm blow drying the second layer to speed up the process, but again, this is optional. The last step in this whole process is heat setting. You can either turn your t-shirt inside out, or what I'm doing is placing another piece of fabric over it and ironing it for 5 minutes on the hottest setting for your fabric. I'm using cotton, so it's pretty hot. Once the time is up, we're done. Okay, this is our final product, and that was stencil printing with Pebeo Setacolor fabric ink. Super easy, as you can see. All we had to do was draw something, cut it out, stick it on, squish that ink in there, wait for it to dry and heat set it. My name's Molly Gray. I'm a multidisciplinary artist based in the west coast of Canada, and I'm here to share my knowledge with you and encourage you to make your own stuff, make one-of-a-kind items that you won't find anywhere else. So hit the subscribe button, follow my channel, and let's make some stuff together. Okay, bye.